Every car has a story, and this car is no exception. This is a 1928 LaSalle. It was bought new by my Uncle Charlie back in 1928. And in fact, there's the license right there. You see it. It's still on the car. What happened was my cousin Charles, who was Uncle Charlie's son, and my Uncle Jim pushed it into this garage, and it stayed there for over 65 years. Now and then, Charles would try to fix it up, joined by my cousin Mike, and they actually got it all fixed up. New lights, new tires, new upholstery, new engine. But I love this grill. Look at that grill. Look at those lights. You see, oh, that's so beautiful. Unbelievable. Look at that LAS, the logo right there, the emblem. And, of course, the engine. What a beautiful engine. They had this redone. They had to check the timing out and get that all fixed up before they could take it out. And the inside, too. And believe it or not, that clock right there on the right, that clock actually works. It keeps time. So once they got all that taken care of, the engine all done, well, they decided to back it out. After 65 years, it finally left the garage it was pushed into. Beautiful. They took off to Los Osos, which is around 10 miles away from there, and they had lunch. Oh, and the car made it back to the garage, too. I want to thank my cousin Mike G., who worked on the car, and he's the one who provided all these wonderful images. So I thank Mike G., also known as the King of Atascadero. Thanks, Mike. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching.